How to make Wi-Fi when the towers are dead, the routers are scrap, and your neighbors are busy hunting rats for dinner. The cities are silent, the internet is gone, and your precious memes buried with the cloud. You need connection, not for Netflix, but to find out if anyone else is still breathing out there. Solution? Build your own signal from the bones of the old world. Step 1. Find an old router. Doesn't matter if it's dusty, cracked, or smells like regret. Just pry it open. Step 2. Rip the guts out and swap the power with a car battery you stole from an abandoned SUV. Bonus points if it still has blood on it. Step 3. Make an antenna. Copper wire, a coat hanger, even the metal rib of an umbrella will do. Point it toward the tallest ruin you can see, or that creepy blinking light on the horizon. If it sparks, good. If it shocks you, even better. Means there's juice. Radio waves don't care about the apocalypse. They just need power and something to bounce off. Your jury-rigged beast spits out a signal, maybe a kilometer or two if the wind's right. If your phone pings, congrats, you've just dragged Wi-Fi back from the dead. If it connects, well, let's hope it's not just a hacker in the next bunker over. But did you know?